Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to remotely turn on or off your XIAOMI Standing Fan to Lite using the app. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the XIAOMI Home app and then make sure that the fan has been paired with the app so we can access it through the app. So after that, we're going to press on the fan's remote control section, so this little icon right here, and here you're going to have all of the controls of your fan. So you have this turn on button here, and once you press that button, the fan will turn on and you can use other controls to control it, and if you press it again, the fan will be turned off. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you, and make sure to like and subscribe.